Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now today's video we're going to be going into a little bit of the sales department. Not my expertise, however, if we're going to be talking about parts and service, then we start off with sales. And today we're going to be looking at Consumer Reports 2023 best reliable cars. However, we're going to take it a step further by letting you know how much it is going to cost to maintain these particular brands. Not in order, but for you to have a total understanding of what your budget is going to look like. Now, without further ado, let's get right into this video.
Which automakers make the most reliable vehicles? To find out, each year Consumer Reports surveys its members about problems they're having with their own cars, trucks, and SUVs. With survey data on over 300,000 vehicles, here's our list of the 10 most reliable brands for 2023. Number 10 is Lincoln. Led by the Corsair small SUV, Lincoln was the most improved brand of the year, moving up 14 spots, and is the highest ranked domestic US automaker on the list. Kia lands at number 9. Not only does the Korean automaker's EV6 electric vehicle have outstanding reliability, the brand moved up 6 spots from last year. The 8th spot goes to Acura. Honda's luxury brand, Acura's MDX and RDX SUVs rank above average in reliability this year.
One of the distinct advantages that these automakers have, they have more than one model to advertise their brands going out there. So if one particular model isn't performing well, people also have the choice to choose another one.
Having worked out many of the transmission issues that our members reported in previous surveys with the Ascent SUV, Subaru now comes in at number 7. The Forester and Crosstrek small SUVs also have above average reliability. Audi captures the 6th spot. Not only does the A5 have outstanding reliability, but every other Audi model in our survey posted average reliability. Honda takes number 5. The Passport, Accord Hybrid, and the super popular Civic Sedan all scored above average reliability in our survey.
Oh, let me mention that fair use for this video, the music is in the background, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get dinged for it, but hopefully YouTube doesn't go too hard on me with this one.
At number 4 is Mazda. Many of its models ride on similar platforms with the same components, all of which tends to boost reliability. The CX-5 has above average reliability, and the legendary Miata came in with well above average reliability.
I don't know how they do it, but realistically, Ford, who is also a component of Mazda, well, it's the other way around. Mazda is a component of Ford. Well, they're together in some sense, but Ford has far more recalls than Mazda does. I don't know how they do it.
This year's surprise, BMW lands in the top 3 for the first time ever in our brand rankings. The German automaker climbed 10 spots this year, with all of its models, including the 3 Series sedan and the X5 SUV, scoring average or better. Lexus has a proven track record of reliability, so this one is not a surprise.
So please keep a note of that. BMW came in at number 3. We're going to talk about it a little bit further.
It ranks number 2 on the list. Led by the GX, every Lexus car and SUV in our survey achieved above average reliability or better. Now, which brand makes the most reliable vehicles according to our members?
Year after year,
it's Toyota. Not only do most of its models score above average, but the Toyota Corolla Hybrid is the most reliable model overall in our survey. Want to know where your next car ranks on our list? Check out consumerreports.org for...
And there you have your top 10. They said the most expensive thing that most Americans own after their house is their car. On average, Americans spend 5% of their income on purchasing a car. Another 5% goes towards ongoing maintenance and insurance cost. So let me go a little bit more into the maintenance cost. According to this website, yourmechanic.com, I've done features about them. I find them a little reliable because most of their information is coming directly from mechanics themselves. Lo and behold, they have here a list of which car brands cost the most to maintain, and it is based on estimates of total car maintenance over 10 years. This is something that I recommend that most sales departments should do whenever they're trying to convince someone to make a purchase, because this will give the person, the individual, the customer, an idea of what it's going to cost them in maintaining and keeping that car over the long run. Number 1, lo and behold, BMW. It will cost you over a 10-year period, $17,800. Remember that 2023 Consumer Report had BMW coming in at number 3 as the most reliable, but it's going to cost you $17,800. Mind you, this report was done by your mechanic back in 2016. I don't think a lot has changed. However, it is going to cost you a pretty penny. Coming in at number 2, Mercedes-Benz, $12,900. Number 3, Cadillac, $12,500. 4, Volvo, $12,500. Number 5, Audi, $12,400. 6, Saturn. Well, they're no more, but it would have cost you $12,400. Number 7, Mercury, $12,000. 8, Pontiac, $11,800. Number 9, Chrysler, $10,600. And rounding off the number 10, Dodge at $10,600. It goes all the way to number 30, with Toyota being the least with $5,500 over a 10-year period, or depending on how long you intend on keeping that car. On average, car manufacturers, in my humble opinion, they're not making cars to last that long anymore, because usually people want to trade in, lease, finance after 3 to 5 years. They also have an option here that says which car models cost the most to maintain, and this is based on total car maintenance cost over 10 years. Number 1, Chrysler Sebring, $17,100. Number 2, BMW 328i at $15,600. Number 3, the Nissan Murano, $14,700. Number 4, Mercedes-Benz E350, $14,700. Number 5, the Chevrolet Cobalt, $14,500. Dodge Ram Caravan, $14,500. Number 7, the Dodge Ram 1500, $13,300. Audi Quattro A4, $12,800. Number 9, Mazda 6, $12,700. And rounding off the number 10, Subaru Forester at $12,200. Mind you, these figures have been around for some time, but I don't think a lot has changed. If you want to go a little bit more deep into it, they have here the car model that has the lowest maintenance costs. Coming in at number 1, Toyota Prius, $4,300 over a 10-year period again. Number 2, the Kia Soul, $4,700. Number 3, the Toyota Camry, $5,200. Number 4, Honda Fit, $5,500. Number 5, Toyota Tacoma, $5,800. Toyota Corolla, $5,800. Number 7, the Nissan Versa, $5,900. Toyota Yaris coming in at number 8, $6,100. Number 9, the Scion XB. Well, Scion is no more, but they round off the Toyota family at $6,300. And rounding off the number 10, the Kia Optima at $6,400. How ironic it is that Toyota has 6 models included in there that has the lowest maintenance cost, and that is why they are number 1. And to make this even more motivating, there was an article published by Yahoo Finance that came out some time ago, well, actually on October 28, 2022, and it says, not living their life to impress others. Here are the top car brands that rich Americans earning more than $200,000 drive most, and why you should too. They're actually telling you not to keep up with the Joneses. Okay, so there you have it. Let me know what you think by posting your comments below. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Please smash that like button on your way out. It will only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Until next time.